Welcome to a brief tour of my six-cylinder E250 2001 Econoline. And it was an airborne express truck. We was changed over to independent contractorships. So we ended up owning our trucks. And so I kept it, got it painted white, and I turned it into a camper. This is the porta potty. Yes, it's held in with a bungee cord, and we used to use it in a tent. And I'm going to put a closet in here, which is not done, but as you can see, it's a cargo truck with the interior cladding and E-tracks, and actually the floor that also came with it. And only I've added underlayment and more insulation to the floor with the planks, the click type planks. So we open this privacy door, and there you have the table, the dinette that goes into a bed, and you can see it's heavily reinforced stuff. It's all bolted into the pan of the truck. And on this side we have a nightstand that was free at the side of the road. I got some twist locks and put on that thing, and resized it to go around the wheel well. And then that bottom one is just a very short drawer. I was able to just make it smaller on the table saw. And then up front there is the galley that I made out of milk crates, and I have a how-to on that where you use hose clamps, and 6 milk crates weighs about 18 pounds. So it's on my Cocoon of Sanity YouTube channel. And the table is made out of scrap pieces of wood. Some of it is from the fence that blew over. Anyway, and so then there's a feature that this has that I came up with, but I actually saw it done on YouTube by another guy. And so I can't take the credit for it, except that mine is made out of milk crates. And so so this opens up like so. You can these canvas things that you can get at Walmart or Target or whatever fit right inside a milk crate. And that's a spaghetti pan that's been in the family, table leaf that's been in the family, refrigerator that's been in the family. It's got room for a microwave up above there. And you notice the seat belts, or everything's kind of bolted into the pan of the truck. And you notice the reinforcement to the ceiling there on the bulkhead. And then the 3-way seat belts. Yeah. And then I keep my tools in back of the seat or under the fridge. And that's a child's discarded jewelry box full of screws right there. Yeah. And there's my step to get into the truck. Anyway, it gets 19 miles per gallon, kind of half on the freeway, and some stop and go and some not stop and go. And I was really delighted to find that out, because when you're making deliveries for Airborne Express or DHL, you're not checking the gas mileage. But anyway, so this can be outside like so. If you want to get some sun and cook outside, or if it's raining, you can do it inside. And that's the brief tour.